Fuck, can't get the camera to focus. What up guys, welcome to another video. Christian's already here. Pretty excited because we're gonna start off on the 240 truck finally. If you're excited like I am, go ahead and smash that like button. Huh, Christian?
Yes, sir.
Hey Christian, let me see your shirt, way. Shit's bad. Oh,
The dog. The dog.
look at my shirt, way. It says Ferrari, way. Look at the back, way.
Oh,
Look at the
let me
back.
see that. Hold on. Let's see the back. Ooh, Spencer. Hey, let's see the back. Let me see the back. Let me see the back.
So yeah, we're gonna go to the bank right now real quick because Christian's gonna, some guy, I guess he's gonna come and what's he gonna bring, way?
He's supposed to bring me a diffuser.
Some guy's coming to bring a diffuser, so we're gonna go to the bank real quick and get some cash. And when we come back, we're gonna move this car to this side. That way we can start tearing it apart. And then while we wait for the parts for this car, we'll just leave it on this side, you know? All right, let's do it. You guys remember the last time we worked on the red car? That shit was fucking hot. And then the day after, it was fucking cold as fuck. And then it's been cold lately, and then all of a sudden we're gonna work on my car and it's fucking hot. So fucking hot. But we'll be back, babes. Christian, we just ate.
No, we didn't.
We just ate, wait. We flipped the cars. Now we're gonna flip the car and then put it on the big jack stands and then start the tear down. Yeah, way. She's a fucking boat, way. This is not even a car, way. It's a boat.
Bro, it's a yacht.
It's a yacht. Christian, be careful. Be careful, Christian. How was? Look how high it went with the big jack stands. Yeah, go for it. I met away. Huh? I think ahí está. That's leveled up.
The big Jacksons are still not gonna pay with.
Nah? Let me double check. Go for it.
I just want the Jacksons to still.
Oh yeah, okay. I think you're good, way. Ahorita que se caiga la chingadera. Nah? Are you gonna leave it leveled up?
Huh?
Oh, it's because you got different jacks, way.
Yeah, but they're the same height.
Oh,
Okay, hold on.
go for it. Nah, cual pinche same height, way. Right there. Yeah, they're not. That's why the red one was crooked. That's perfect, way. You're the one that's gonna go under, way.
What? I'm going there.
Just kidding, way. Just kidding. I got you, way. Ay, güey, pinche desmadre. Alright, so before we tear this shit apart, yep, there's gonna be a lot of parts. I'm thinking, wait, taking off that rack, putting it outside, and then just buy some new racks and then stack all the parts right there that we're gonna be removing. With. What do you think? Cause
we have to make room.
well, the plan is to remove everything out of the car, and then but yeah, I don't want to throw them in over here on the side, because what if some pinche homeless comes and not even a homeless way. Somebody take some way. So let's go find some racks and then we'll put them right there. Okay. Look at Christian, just got a new diffuser for his car. See or no? This little rack so we can store all our parts. Chris.
Oye, ocupo otro vato para mañana, ¿qué onda? Uno. ¿Puedes mañana o no?
So tired. I don't think we're gonna do anything to the car, huh? Hey, but at least we cleaned up most of the garage, most of Christian's mess. So what we're gonna do right now, we're probably not gonna work on the troquita, but remember the fan that didn't work on the quad? Well, when we were cleaning, we found this other little fan. Check it out. So we're gonna try to make it fit and hopefully get this quad sold, because it's taking up space. But first, looking good so far. Hey, wait. Did we even test it?
No, that's not important. The important part is make it
Wait, that's the most important part.
if it works, so we can just go buy another one.
Oh yeah, true. Tienes mucha razón, güey. You have a lot, you have a lot of brain, way. It's even coming out, way. It's coming out of your head, way.
The pimple?
Your brain's coming out.
You put some. What?
Ande, güey.
I think it looks like that shit's gonna work. But then again,
What if the fucking fan way hits you?
oh.
Oh.
Oh, it works! Look at
Turn it. Damn, barely, way. Yeah, so before you put it on, way, let's fucking start it. Let's check it out.
Lots of craps. The dog.
Oh. No?
I think you burned it.
No?
I don't want to go into engine start because what if it just.
Yeah, fucking burns it up.
Yeah.
Well, it works. What are you gonna do? Make sure it is fucked? Or make sure. Imagine it starts way?
Make sure I'm not screwed. That's what I'm gonna check.
¿Qué pedo, Chris? ¿Qué pedo? Wey.
What the fuck?
That shit fucking works, way.
Yeah, at 200 amps.
It's not 200 amps, right?
Yeah, 200 amps.
¿Qué pedo, wey? I will try this one at 200 amps.
Why the hell was it not working that day?
Yeah, maybe the charge doesn't work way. Chris.
Who put it in here?
What the hell? No, pinche Christian, güey.
Why?
Hey,
Why would
güey.
you put that in here?
Te digo que you're the smartest person, güey, pero a la vez, güey, como que, I don't know, güey.
Well, a smart
Qué
person
pedo,
would
güey.
have put it in here. Just put it in here.
Mira, look at all this mess you made already.
Hey, don't change the subject. Just put it in here.
Look at all this mess, güey. Christian. Oh, güey.
You put it in here.
Please.
Hey, wait, answer my question. You put it in here.
I think we're gonna call it a day because apparently Christian is not functioning right today. So we couldn't fix this. And Christian over here is making a mess. It's okay, wait. It's okay. We'll continue this tomorrow. Alright? Peace out, guys.
Friday.
Oh yeah. So this Thursday we're gonna go to Irwindale, and then we're not gonna drive, we're gonna go spectate. We're gonna go narrate the the drivers. Like the other video we made.
Stop putting this stuff in here.
So yeah, catch you guys at Irwindale this Thursday. Christian. No.
What? Piece of crap. I know you're recording, Nick.
I keep smelling lemon. I keep smelling lemon.
I did. I was like, what the hell? It smells like lemon.
I keep smelling lemon. Chicles.
Crap.
Che desmadre que
Who
hiciste.
put that bottle in this?
I think it was you, way.
I don't even buy that cheap shit.
Wait, that's not cheap shit. That's turtle. What is it? Turtle
Why?
wax?
Yeah.
Turtle wax, way. That's not cheap, way. Oh my God, Chris. That shit was brand new, way.
Was? It's empty now.
Fuck it. A dormir.